egg alternative will work for my cakes and muffins? How can I replace refined sugar with healthy sugar alternatives? Will I be able to make cake with whole wheat? I know these are all scary thoughts that generally people get when they think about baking. Hi, I'm Sonia Gupta from AnyBodyCanBake. Welcome to my master class. I'm here to help you to overcome all your fear about eggless whole wheat baking. This course is going to make you aware of basics of baking and then will take you to the wonderful journey of eggless wheat baking while we will be making eggless cakes, muffins and brownies. I will share all my tips and tricks with you that will make eggless baking fun for you. I am going to stay with you forever to support you in all your queries while trying these recipes in your kitchen. Then what are you waiting for? Let's get going.